Hello, dear friends. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing good. And now we are in the lesson of Mars. So, dear friends, wherever you will see Mars, it is having three aspects. First is in the place where it is sitting, then it is the fourth house, the seventh house, and the eighth house. Today we are going to do the thing on Mars. Now, wherever you will see MA1, it is the original placement of Mars. Wherever you will see MA4, it is the fourth aspect of Mars. Wherever you will see MA7, it is the seventh aspect of Mars. Wherever you will see the MA8 is the eighth aspect of Mars. Like previous videos, we will go house by house and sign by sign. Dear friends, in this slide it is written Rahu instead of Mars, but it is a subject for Mars. Now, wherever Mars will sit, it will aspect the fourth house, the seventh house, and the eighth house. Likewise, Mars is sitting in the first house. It is aspecting the fourth house, the seventh house, and the eighth house. Sign wise, it is in Aries. It is aspecting Cancer, Libra, and Scorpio. Now, you can see Mars is in the second house. It is aspecting the fifth house, the eighth house, and the ninth house. Now, sign wise, it is in the sign of Taurus. It is aspecting Leo, Scorpio, and Sagittarius. Dear friends, now Mars is in the third house. From the third house, it is aspecting the sixth house, the ninth house, and the 10th house. Sign wise, it is in Gemini. It is aspecting Virgo, Sagittarius, and Capricorn. Now you can see Mars is in the fourth house. It is aspecting the seventh house, it is aspecting the 10th house, and it is aspecting the 11th house. Sign wise, you can see it is in Cancer. It is aspecting Libra, Capricorn, and Aquarius. Now, Rahu is in the fifth house. It is aspecting the 8th house, aspecting the 11th house, and the 12th house. Sign wise, it is in the sign of Leo, aspecting Scorpio, Aquarius, and Pisces. Now, Mars is in the 6th house. It is aspecting the 9th house, the 12th house, and the 1st house. It is in the sign of Virgo. In the sign of Virgo, it is aspecting Sagittarius, Pisces, and Aries. Now, it is in the 7th house. From the 7th house, it is aspecting the 10th house, the 1st house, and the 2nd house. Mars is in the sign of Libra. It is aspecting the Capricorn, Aries, and Taurus. Now, Mars is in the 8th house. It is aspecting 11th house, 2nd house, and the 3rd house. It is in the sign of Scorpio. It is aspecting Aquarius, Taurus, and Gemini. Now, Mars is in the 9th house. It is aspecting the 12th house, the 3rd house, and the 4th house. Sign wise, it is in Sagittarius. From Sagittarius, it is aspecting Pisces, Gemini, and Cancer. Now, Mars is in the 10th house, aspecting the 1st house, the 4th house, and the 5th house. Mars is in the sign of Capricorn. It is aspecting Aries, Cancer, and Leo. Now, you can see Mars is in the 11th house, aspecting the 2nd house, the 5th house, and the 6th house. Likewise, Mars is in Aquarius, aspecting Taurus, Leo and Virgo. Now you can see Mars is in the 12th house. From the 12th house it is aspecting 3rd house, 6th house and the 7th house. Likewise, Mars is in the sign of Pisces, aspecting Gemini, Virgo and Libra. Dear friends, like I have told always, these videos are for the people who are learning astrology, and this will help the people who want to grow in astrology. So dear friends, sometimes there are some mistakes made in this video, but I have tried to make it more rectified, more corrected time to time, and coming as I get time on doing the videos. So dear friends, as you can see, it is written Rahu over here, but this is precisely made for Mars. So according to the time I get, I do the corrections. But in this video, if I had to do the correction, I had to spend a lot of time just doing the correction. That's why I have put Mars, I have kept it Rahu as Rahu, but I am keeping a note that instead of Rahu, you have to calculate as Mars. Now this video was for Mars. Coming videos are very easy because rest of all the planets, they have got 1st to 7th house aspects. These were the special aspects done for Jupiter, Ketu, Saturn and Rahu, including Mars. So dear friends, I hope you will like this video. I hope you will enjoy this video. I hope it will bring you good results in your studies of astrology. Thank you very much for staying connected. Thank you very much for joining with me, and I hope you will see my coming videos as well. Thank you.